Here I am, comfortably resting on a tree trunk, wondering if I really signed up for this. It's too late to turn back, so let's pretend I'm full of energy and ready for what's ahead. Our journey begins in Rome, in wild Cerveteri, a town famous for its Etruscan ruins, medieval charm, and now, my personal endurance test. First stop. The castle. It looks straight out of a fantasy movie, standing proudly as if it's still protecting the land from invaders. After a short walk, we reach the Etruscan necropolis. This isn't your average graveyard, this one is 2,500 years old, filled with ancient tombs carved into the earth. A peaceful place.
This one specifically will probably be one of the more recent ones, because the old ones are the bigger tumulus ones. This one would be between 400 and 500 probably.
But history isn't the only thing this place has to offer. As we move further, nature takes over. Rolling hills, shady forests, and rocky paths, it's a mix of beauty and a leg workout I didn't sign up for. The sound of birds, the fresh air, and the occasional, "Are we there yet?" make this trek memorable. Finally, the best part, the waterfalls. Not just one, but 5 of them. Some are small and peaceful, others are full on. I feel like I'm in an adventure movie mode. Water tumbles down mossy rocks, splashing into clear pools, creating the perfect excuse to stop walking and just take it all in. Nature at its best, and me, questioning why I don't do this more often. As we reach the final waterfall, soaking in the view, and maybe some water splashes, I realize, this hike wasn't just about the destination, but about the journey. The ancient ruins, the wild landscapes, the waterfalls, and, of course, my heroic survival.